Good morning, students. Once again, I am back for you all. And students, we are discussing our first chapter, nutrition in plants. And students, we have already discussed in our previous class about nutrition, nutrients, and mode of nutrition. First is autotrophic nutrition, and second is heterotropic nutrition. So, students, in this class today we will discuss about first mode of nutrition, autotrophic nutrition, and we will also discuss about that how autotrophic nutrition make their food with the help of photosynthesis. So, students, one more thing I would like to tell you, students. After watching my video, still you are having some problem, then you can ask me your any problem through my WhatsApp number. And students, you have already provided my WhatsApp number in your class WhatsApp group. So let's we start our next topic, mode of nutrition. First mode of nutrition, autotrophic nutrition. Students, why we call it autotrophic nutrition? Students, let's try to understand. Auto means self and trop means nourishment. So that's why we call it autotrophic nutrition. And students, in previous class, I have already told you a definition. Students, definition of autotrophic nutrition is the mode of nutrition in which an organism makes their food by itself from simple inorganic substances is called autotrophic nutrition. So students, autotrophic nutrition is known as by one more name, and one more name is holopathic nutrition. Holopathic nutrition. And students, we all know that autotrophic nutrition in plants, an organism make their food by itself without any help is called autotrophic nutrition. So we can also call it producer because it makes their food without any help. So we can say it producer. So we can say also autotrophic nutrition, allopathic nutrition, and we can also call it producer. So students, let's we discuss that how autotrophic nutrition make their food with the help of photosynthesis. So students, and students, I think you all know that in previous class we have already learned that what is the photosynthesis. We can say as a definition, photosynthesis the process of making food by using carbon dioxide, water in the presence of chlorophyll and sunlight is called photosynthesis. So students, we can also say that in a simple language, the process of making food by green plant is called photosynthesis. So students, let's we discuss that how what is the process of photosynthesis. So So students, as a definition, the process of photosynthesis, first plant use carbon dioxide and water, and from where get plant carbon dioxide? Plant get carbon dioxide from the air, and from where get plant get water? Plant get water from soil. And students, from where plant get their water? Plant get water from the soil. And students, one more thing is here that We all know that there is a green pigment present in the leaves and green stem of the plant is known as chlorophyll. So friends, chlorophyll chlorophyll combine the carbon dioxide and water in the form of sugar, and then after plant produce glucose in the form of food with the help of sunlight. So students, plant store their food as a glucose stored in plants. After combining carbon dioxide and water, chlorophyll produce as a glucose as a food of the plants, and then after released in the atmosphere. So students, this is the process of photosynthesis in plants, and students, we can say there are four main conditions is necessary for photosynthesis in plants. First is the presence of green pigment, which is known as by name chlorophyll, and second is presence of sunlight. Third is availability of water, and fourth is availability of carbon dioxide. So students, we can say there are four main conditions is necessary for photosynthesis in plants. So students, today we have finished our first mode of nutrition, autotrophic nutrition. One more mode of nutrition is remain, second is heterotrophic nutrition. So students, in next class we will finish our second mode of nutrition, heterotrophic nutrition, and we will also finish our first chapter, nutrition in plants. So students, that's it till now. Take care. Bye bye.